On social media, somebody shared a photo. To me, it's an iconic photo of an old lady watching a lot of stone being dumped into the river here. I came down to have a look for myself, and to be honest, I was shocked. Instead of building a causeway into the river with steel, as you would normally do it, I think, but they just decided to dump the stone directly into the water. We ended up in the Supreme Court with the case, and the County Council gave commitments that all the stone would be removed from the river. We also ended up in an agreement on changing the methodology in which the work was done. We love this river. The people of Kilkenny, it's part of our life, and we knew it was wrong. So yeah, I mean, the court case might have proved one thing or another, but that's not relevant. I think the main thing was that we stood up for our environment here.